Ta-da! And so, here is the gift from Babe. Yan. Binigyan niya ako ng Nike shoes. Airmax, actually. Ano kayang kulay? Tan-ta-da-dan-ta-dan! So, hi guys! Annabanana again here and welcome back to my channel. So, for today's video, we will be going to do a unboxing of a gift galing kay Babe. Ayan. So, alamin natin kung ano nga ba ang gift ni Babe sa akin. So, Babe, if you are watching this video, thank you so much for giving me these gifts. Dalawa kasi. So, gifts. Ayan, gifts. And you're so thoughtful and kind. You didn't have to do this, Babe. Kasi, ikaw lang sapat na. Oh! So, without further ado, let's jump into it. Ta-da! And so, here is the gift from Babe. Yan. Binigyan niya ako ng Nike shoes. Airmax, actually. Ano kayang kulay? Tan-ta-da-dan-ta-dan! Oh! Ayan. Kaya pala, Babe, kapag pupunta tayong nagwi-window shopping, tinatanong mo yung shoe size ko, magsukat-sukat ka ng ano, sabi niya. Ng shoes. Yun pala eh. Wow! What's that? Very nice. Kita niyo ba guys? White in color. Yeah. Nike Airmax. White. This is size 6.5. White Airmax 270 React. Yan. Yung kanyang, 6.5. And that's it. Ganyan siya inside. Yan. Ganyan siya inside. Magaan siya, guys, ha? Yan. Ganda. Thank you, Babe. Yeah. Ganda. Susuotin ko to, Babe. So, I can use this in a walking, ganyan. Ganyan ang kanyang sole. Yan. So, I will let you guys know if kung ano ang fitting niya. Fit na natin ngayon para makita nyo fitting niya. Kaso, pangit yung paa ko ngayon. Pangit na paa talaga. So, ayan siya guys. Huwag nilang tingnan yung binti ko kasi pangit. Ayan. Sakto lang siya guys. Nice fitting. Kita nyo ba guys? Yan. Ito yung dating shoes ko. Adidas. Tad-tad na. Yan. Yan guys. And then the next one, next na gift ni Babe is Leafless Neckfan. Yan. Wow, si Babe. Napaka-cool naman. Sabi ko kasi nagre-reklamo ako lagi kapag nag-walking ako. And then sabi ko, ang init. Grabe. Tapos may dala-dala akong pamaypay. Pabinilan pa ako ng hanging neckfan. So, guys, if you are interested, yan. Neckfan. Bili kayo ng neckfan. Pero hindi ako nagbebenta ng neckfan. Yeah. So, inside is like this. Yeah. And then, ano to? Mayroon siyang user's manual. And then, may USB cord. Parang cellphone na USB cord. So, chino-charge siya. Ganito siya, guys. Next, wireless. Leafless, neckfan. Yeah, right and left. And then, dito siguro lumalabas yung air. Yeah. And then, dito yung switch niya, guys. siya, guys. Oh, malamig. Malamig na. May number 2. Kita niyo ba? Ayan, may number 3. Ang sarap sa feeling, malamig. Yeah. Very good. Thanks, babe. Then, oh. Hindi ko alam kung magkano, guys. Huwag nyo nang tanungin sa akin kasi syempre bigay lang. White. Ganda. Ganyan siya. Thanks, babe. And then, this one, ayan. This is M6. M6 Leafless hanging neck fan. Ayan. So, charge siya. Battery charge. Kita nyo ba, guys? Yeah. And then, 220 grams in weight. 1,800 mAh ang kanyang battery life. Ayan. So, 5 volts. Yeah. So, yun. Yun ang ating leafless hanging neck fan. Yan. So, wala tayong masyadong ganap for today sa ating vlog. Yun lang. Nag-unboxing lang tayo ng gift. So, ang gift ni Babe is yung Nike Airmax 270 React. Yan. And then, yung neck fan. Napaka-thoughtful naman ni Babe. Samantalang ako, wala akong binigay kay Babe. Puri. Joke lang. So anyway, I hope you did enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe, Annabanana vlogs, and I hope to see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to be good. And ayan, ang aking new hairdo ni Annabanana. Dati ang haba ng buko, nakikita nyo pa sa mga vlogs ko, no? Hanggang puwet, ngayon hanggang, ano na, hanggang dyan. Pinaputulan ko na siya kasi summer. So, yun na. I-end na i-cut na natin tong vlog natin. So, bye-bye guys. I love you all. Take care. Bye-bye.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my heart to get out of this place. I sensed something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple butter, put on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong.
Welcome to Taiwan.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my heart to get out of this place. I sensed something I've never seen before.